Ataszek Video Manual. Plastic Welder Bosite-DL. Hello, today I'm going to present a new model Bosite-DL. That is the one with the display. The model didn't change much. We have the same casing, the same nozzle, 32mm standard nozzle, of course, for professional use. There are two changes only. Here we have a display. Apart from the bottom air inlet, there are two side ones. I will connect now to show you how does the display work with the temperature control. Now, it is connected. The device hasn't been turned yet on. It is off, as you can see. Off, meaning the main driver is off. After turning it to 1, the device starts. The temperature is 23-24 degrees of the air. Now I will adjust. It is extremely interesting. It is very precise. Watch as I'm adjusting, the real temperature is displayed. Let's make around 200 degrees. After setting the desired temperature, the heater starts. Now it reads the real temperature from the sensor installed in the nozzle. I set 240 degrees exactly, and as you can see, we have that temperature now. It is heated. The display shows the desired temperature. However, it is better to wait a minute or so for the complete heat up of the ceramics inside. So the temperature was exactly the one we need. The top temperature is 650 degrees. We may use it in the narrow objects up to 5 mm. Round ones and up, which are 10 or flat, 20 or 40 or even 80 mm objects. Just one more important function of the device. If you should not indicate the higher temperature on the display or press plus in Bosite-D, like in all standard devices, and you turn it off, that it will stop completely. In other words, we need to decrease the temperature manually and turn it off. Then it will cool down after 3 or 5 minutes. In this case, the heater is turned off. And until the temperature drops below around 70 degrees, the blow will continue. So the heater is protected against burning. Just last thing. At the moment I turn off the device at 248 degrees exactly, I unplug the device at the end of the working day. Then when I wish to work again, I turn it on. It is still off. Look what is happening when I restarted it. When the plug was inserted into the socket, you could see the blink of the last set temperature. It remembers the last chosen temperature, and now it is going to heat up to that level. Therefore, should we weld the same elements every day, you may set exact temperature, say 280, 290 degrees, then you will not have to start the temperature again, as it will be in the device memory. Every kit consists of the device and the case and pre-selected nozzles. Depending on what have you chosen, be it industrial welding, be carpets, roof membranes, the trampolines and others. Subscribe. Visit our page at www.ataszek.pl.